Yes people, so I've just been delivered this Tesla Model 3. It's in for a exterior wrap in Stone Grey by Oracle, which is this color here. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the badges, the spoiler, the body kit, and then send it outside to get it washed and decontaminated. The headlights and taillights are also going to be tinted. Alloys are being powder coated in gloss black. Got a bit of damage around them as well. But yeah, let's get it started. So I've washed the car, and what I just want to show you is the state of the paint underneath. Now most cars are like this, but you can't really tell until it's been fully decontaminated and until you got it under some decent lighting. Now this isn't even detailing light, and you can still see there's a bunch of hazing all along this area here. You've got some bird poo etching right over there, peppered with stone chips. When you are wrapping a vehicle, you're never ever going to be able to get it absolutely perfect, and when you've got imperfections like this, cars are meant to be driven. So if you're expecting perfection from a car wrap, or if you think you've got OCD, a wrap's not for you. You will see everything through the wrap. With the bird poo etching, depending on how severe it is, it can even show through, because what it does is the clear coat on the paint, it starts to go up. But I don't think this one is that bad. We won't know until we put the wrap on it. But yeah, I'm gonna just wrap the bonnet now. So now the bonnet is wrapped and it's to a decent standard. Anyway, I've got quite a bit to take off the car. I'm going to lift up the car, take off the alloys. I'm pretty sure the bumper's going to come off along with the headlights and then the taillights. So I'm just going to set up a time-lapse sort of video and you can see that process really quickly. And then I'll move on to wrapping the wings, which I might do another POV style video on. And then the rest of the car is just going to be a time-lapse because obviously it is going to drag. Anyway. I'm in the process of currently ceramic coating the car. So what I want to show you is the effects of a ceramic coating and what it does, because a lot of people don't even know what's the point of it. So this side, the driver's side in the UK, has been ceramic coated. The left hand side over here has not been ceramic coated. Now this is a very grippy glove, so when I'm going to throw this on the panel, you'll see it sticks on the panel. No matter what angle I throw at it, it will stick on the panel. Now when I do it on the other side, it will slide off. So what that means, obviously no one cares if a glove is sticking to the car or not. What that means is dirt will have a hard time sticking to the wrap of this car. It doesn't mean the car's gonna never get dirty. It's still gonna get dirty. It will just take longer to get dirty, and once it does get dirty, when it's time for washing it, whoever's washing the car, they won't need to scrub the car as hard as if it didn't have a ceramic coating. So it will avoid swirl marks from happening as quick, but by no means is it a invincible layer that, you know, nothing can penetrate through. The car is now complete and ready to collect. It's sitting just behind me. I'll just go through what I did to it. So it had a full exterior wrap in this Oracal light grey colour. The headlights have been tinted in light smoke. Alloys have been powder coated in gloss black. Quite nice they are. The paint had quite a few brush marks on there from branches and stuff, so I've gone ahead and wrapped the mirrors in gloss black because the client did want them specifically in gloss black. So the mirrors are wrapped, however the paint is black anyway. And you can see that up close. Then you got the tail lights, which are tinted in medium. They do look quite dark purely because of how they come from factory. They're dark anyway, so now when I've put on the tint on top, it's made them even darker. But when the car is switched on, these are always on anyway. And look at that now, that's super slick. And also it's been coated, as you know, in a ceramic coating. So yeah, if you like what I did and all that stuff, and you enjoyed the video, please do thumbs up it, and I'll see you on the next one.